Hi everyone, and welcome to my Storybird tutorial. Tonight we are going to learn how to use Storybird. I like Storybird because students can work either individually, they can work with their peers, and it's a great way for them to be creative and use images from Storybird to create their own poem, short story, or a picture book. So you go ahead, and first to get started, I like using Google, but you can go ahead and use however you your preferred browser. Go ahead and you will type in storybird.com. First thing that you will need to do, you will need to set up a username, email address, and then a password. Once you are logged in, I've already set up my account, so all my stuff will be popping up. I have gone ahead and I have set up my classroom because this fall I plan on implementing Storybird into my class so that my students can pick images, create their own individual stories, and they are also going to, with me, we are going to create some class books. At the top, you will see the different tab buttons of View, Studio, Write, and Read. We're going to head and click on You. This is your stuff, bookshelves, different settings where you can go ahead and make different things underneath your settings. On the right icon, we're going to click on that. This is where you will start creating your storyboard. Over here on the left, you will see some different artwork tags that you can click on. Rocket, player, surprised, school. Down here is a search button where you can type in something that you are interested. Since fall is going to be approaching soon, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in fall. Different images will pop up. So you can come over here then and you can scroll down until you find the image that you like. I like this one. It's like little kids playing with some leaves. Go ahead and click on it. Then you will click on Use This Art. So once you click on Use This Art, different icons will pop up. Long form book, picture book, which is multi-page, and poem, which is a single image. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make a picture book, the multi-page. Just go ahead and click on that. Here you will see the image that we first began with. Down here at the bottom left, we're going to make a cover for our book. So you're going to click on cover, and you can click, there's different icons down here, and you can choose the one that you want. I'm going to click on journal, and then different images down here will pop up that you can put for the cover of your book. Your name will appear up here. That's because that will be your username. So down here you can click on different images and they'll pop up the background. Some pretty fall colors to choose from. I'm going to choose this one. I love the color green for the fall. In this box here, you will type in the title of your book. Then down here, you will click on this back arrow, and that will get you back to the page 1. Down here, we'll say your page number. So here for page 1 is the image that we started with, and I am going to, this is the text box, and here this is where you will start creating for your storyboard. So I went ahead and I put in the fall, the weather starts to get cooler. Down here at the bottom right hand side, you will see a plus button. This is going to take you to add more pages. So you're going to go ahead and click on Add Page. Now we are on page number 2. So page number 2, over here you can click on some images. If you want to go ahead and add whatever one you like, they will pop up bigger over here, and then you will just click on it and move it on over to your storyboard, drag it over, and it will pop right up, and then here you can add a next page with some text sentences. Down here at the bottom, anytime if you want to do it after every page, you can go ahead and click save and it will save it. I like saving things because many times I have lost documents when I have not saved them and accidentally have hit the delete button. So unfortunately, I've learned a lesson a few times the hard way. If you want to add another page, you would go ahead and you would hit the plus sign. And then you could add a new image with some sentence, another sentence. So we're going to go ahead and save it. If you want to save and come back another time, you can come on over here to the menu button and you will hit save and close. So you want to come back in it tomorrow. So tomorrow you would log in the same way, username, password. Your books will come up here as they're also underneath you for your stuff. So we're going to go ahead and click on In the Fall because that's the book that we were working on. Now we are ready to publish the book. You can keep adding more pages, how many ever pages that you want. But we're going to go ahead and publish this book. So you're going to go to Menu and you're going to click on the Publish tab. Up here, you can go ahead and change the cover if you want, change the title. You can write a summary of your book if you want. And then you can have different categories. You can choose up to 2 categories here. I'm going to choose literacy. Tags. You can tag this, and this will basically help you organize how your stories are. And I'm going to click on preschool for 1 to 4. It was written for ages 1 to 4. And then you can click on if it was for school or not for school. Put it for school because I'm going to share this with my students and we're going to add some more pages to it. And you can do it public or private. And then you just go ahead and submit for moderation. And your book will be published. I think Storybird, because it gives the students opportunity to work on individual projects where students can create a project. Teachers can enhance learning and using Storybird to have students use their critical thinking skills to show their understanding of writing, complete sentences, punctuation, grammar, and using transitional words. Students can also learn how to work on a project together with their peers or to work as a team. Storybird is not only a fun educational tool to use in the classroom, but with using Storybird, you can create so many different types of stories, poems, and you can share them with other people too, which is fun because you can see how a student progresses from like the first day of school to the last day of school, and parents would love to see these at conferences or in their portfolios. I hope everyone enjoyed learning more about Storybird and watching my tutorial. Thank you.